There's some exciting news on the horizon in the world of wireless technology. Rumors are swirling that the much-anticipated Wi-Fi 6E might be making its debut, and exclusively so, in Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 Pro models. Let's delve into this, shall we? Wi-Fi 6E is the newest Wi-Fi standard. It's a real game-changer. This bad boy extends the features and capabilities of Wi-Fi 6 into the 6 GHz spectrum. This means we can expect greater bandwidth, less interference, and overall, a much better experience with our devices. Think high-definition video streaming, ultra-responsive gaming, augmented reality apps, all these running smoother and faster, thanks to Wi-Fi 6E. Now, Apple has always been at the forefront of integrating advanced technology into its devices, so it's not really surprising that Wi-Fi 6E could be featured exclusively in the iPhone 15 Pro models. It fits perfectly into their strategy of packing the most advanced features into their premium devices. This means that the iPhone 15 Pro would set a new benchmark in the smartphone industry, potentially nudging other manufacturers to integrate Wi-Fi 6E into their future devices. The impact? Faster download and upload speeds, improved performance even in congested networks, and a better overall connectivity experience for us users. However, there's a catch. With Wi-Fi 6E as an exclusive feature, it's likely that there will be a significant price differential within the iPhone 15 range. So, if you're considering getting one, you'll need to weigh the benefits of improved connectivity and superior performance against the likely higher cost. So, there you have it, folks. It looks like we're standing at the brink of another major tech revolution with Wi-Fi 6E and Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 Pro. As always, we're eager to see what the official release looks like and to get our hands on these devices for a test drive. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and tech news. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world.